Well, hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. How we doing today? I know, we've got a really special treat today. I never thought I'd have another on the channel, but I figured after, taxes and, the stimulus and everything, why not bring something really cool to the channel? That's right, today we're going to take a look at a Benchmade Proper 319. And, there's really not much inside the box, just Benchmade's little propaganda and a neat little, baggie for, whoops, as I drop it on the ground, a neat little baggie for your blade. Alright. Now, there it is in basically all of its glory. One of the huge reasons I really truly wanted it was I have a very good friend who was part of, my live stream on Tuesday nights, Everyday Terry, and if you'd like to see his episode, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single Beer, Blades, and Beards episode I've ever done. Everyday Terry is sitting in that playlist. He loved his, alright, well, loves his. He didn't lose it as far as I know. He loves his. And in a bunch of live feeds, he's always showing it off, and I figured, well, one day, why don't we go get it? Well, guess what? Now it's here. And I love it. This is Benchmade's modern take on a very classic gentleman's blade. And those of you who've been watching my channel for a while, you know how much I love gentleman's blades. And basically what that is a neat small blade that can fit in your pocket with no problem. That's not really going to scare the normals. And it's not going to look like an everyday killing blade. It's a neat little blade that everyone will be like, oh, hey, cool, look at that. Like a Swiss Army knife. But still, it's got an overall length of 6.69 inches. The blade is 2.86. Enclosed, it's about 3.83. It weighs in at a very small 2.32 ounces. And what I think is kind of cool, it's done in the sheep's foot style with a plain edge, easily as you can see there, and, a flat grind. And it does have a satiny finish, which you guys know my channel, you know how much I love satin and stone wash finishes. And, well, that should pretty much give the blade steel away. That's right, CPM-S30V. Great blade steel and a heck of a blade. Now, it does have a stainless steel frame in there, as you can see. Alright, it is a slip joint with a double lock. So, it just takes a moment or two to get her open. Now, what I like is the scales. They say those are brown, but I'll be honest, they really look OD green to me. They really truly do. Even though Benchmade calls them brown, those look OD green to me. Now, you can carry it right-hand, left-hand carry, obviously, because there's no pocket clip on it whatsoever, just a lanyard hole. And the easiest way to get her open, they say, is the nail nick, but for me, it's just pull her open and go through the double lock. And yes, this one is made in the USA. Alright, now let's have fun with the cut tests like we usually do. Now, for you guys who are brand new to my channel, we really only do 3, okay? They're real simple ones. First one up, as always, heavy-duty stock paper. Let's see if we can get that curly cue going. Ah, heck, whoa, hey. We'll go with that. Now, why I do it that way, guys, is I've always been told that you can just basically take any blade and go sharp. But if you take your time to pull it across and you do it just right, that's what you should get, is a curly cue. As we usually do, paracord. Alright, let's see if I don't smack the camera again this time. Alright, for those of you familiar with my channel, camera took a dump. So on the pull test, it was a little struggle to get her through. But let's go through and do the slice test. I could feel some grab. And I know you can see, well, I can at least. There you go. There you go. Some paper on the blade. So we need to strap her out a little bit more. That might explain some problems. Alright, and Mr. Ratchet Strap. Pretty much no problem going through that. Okay, so I took a look in the usual suspect areas for when I'm doing the pricing and everything else. I found her on Amazon, Benchmade, and Blade HQ. Now, when I did all the homework on this was May 28th, 2020, and at that point on Blade HQ, it was out of stock, but it had a cost of $127.50. On Benchmade, it's $150, and Amazon, where I picked her up, was $127.30, and it was free shipping. On Benchmade, it's been reviewed 24 times for a 4 3/4 rating out of 5. Alright, third time's the charm. Moving on. Benchmade, been reviewed 1 time, 5 out of 5 star rating. And Amazon, it's been reviewed 39 times for a 5 out of 5 star rating. Now, here's the best part of this video for me. Seriously, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I love carrying it. My camera's taking a 4th dump, so we're going to wrap this up real quick before it hits number 5 and I throw my camera into a wall. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose this one, as choppy as it is. I'm going to leave it like this because I swear to God, if I film it again, the camera starts to dump, I'm going to lose my mind. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? Why don't you go ahead and leave a comment right down below and let me know what I can do to earn your subscription. Hopefully we can implement it into a further video other than don't have a choppy video. I get that. Now, after you've done that, go ahead, look right down here. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those great videos, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Look at that. You threaten your camera and the freaking choppiness stops. Anywho, that's my quick tabletop look at the Benchmade Proper 319. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for putting up with the choppiness. I hope you all are having an incredibly safe and incredibly great day today.